Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, ito yung reading natin for Virgo. Ako nga pala po si Madam P. Take all what resonate. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa channel, kahit na lang na subscribe button, notification bell, ma-appreciate ko lahat ng likes, comments, and shares. By the way, pasensya ka na at hindi ako masyadong nag-ayos ngayong time na ito. Ayan, nag-lip balm lang ako. Kasi patulog na po ako, kakatapos ko lang actually mag-skincare. Kaya, hindi na ako maglalagay ng makeup. And, let's start your reading. What do we have here for the sign of Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. So, kunin mo lang yung magre-resonate. Pag hindi nag-resonate, okay lang yun. May mga next readings pa naman tayo. Okay. Let's start. And if you want to avail yung mga products namin, feel free to check na lang yung aming TikTok ha. Ayan, yung mga ganyan, Evil Eye, Dreamcatcher, bracelet, crystals, doon namin yan nilalagay sa TikTok. Let's start. Sana nakapollow ka rin sa aking Facebook page. Four of Spades. Four of Diamonds. Bottom of the deck is the King of Hearts. Yung iba sa inyo, you're not doing anything. Either hindi mo ginagawa yung dapat mong gawain, or wala kang ginagawa pagdating sa, you have a lot of worries pagdating sa love, pagdating sa iyong emotions. Maybe you're thinking of someone right now with the Three of Hearts. Maybe this is a friend or a person in the past, alin man doon, but nakikita natin na you want to connect with this person, kaya lang wala kang ginagawa dito. Pwedeng iniisip mo rin kasi yung sarili mo, and yung iba sa inyo, for now, you are trying to save money or focus on money, material things, and stuff. Yeah, or your stability, or your career. Ayan yung focus mo. Person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love. Sino tong person nakakonect mo pagdating sa love? You do have your Ace of Hearts and the Joker. Could be a new person. Kung hindi man, basta itong person na to is willing to mag-take ng risk sa'yo. Itong person na to is someone who really do loves you a lot. Mahal ka niya. Nine of Clover is here, so I feel like may mga challenges sa ngayon. And I feel like itong person na to, siya yung tipo ng tao na nagbabalance sa'yo. Like, pag may mga bagay na hindi mo alam or hindi mo kaya, itong taong ito, gagawin niya yung best niya na maibigay sa'yo yung mga bagay na wala ka or hindi mo alam. Like, I feel like a perfect partner kind of energy. Ayan. So, ano yung emotions ninyong dalawa na tong taong to? You do have here the Ace of Clover. Okay. You like this person. You like this person. Gusto mo siya. Four of Clover is here. Alam mo, ito angel number 444 na to. And tell me about this. Isa pa, what's with the Ace of Clover and Four of Clover? There's a lot of passion. Hindi mo siya magugustuhan, or hindi mo siya, lagi mo siya nasa isip. The Ace of Spades is here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Parang mahal mo pero nag-worry ka lang, you know. Or gusto mo yung tao, kaya lang marami kang, kung hindi pa naman mahal, it's just that importante siya sa'yo, special na siya sa'yo, or gusto mo siya, it's just that nag-worry ka lang masyado ngayon. Okay. You get what I mean? Emotion itong taong ito sa'yo. Like, nakita na nga natin dito with the Ace of Hearts and the Joker. yung pagkagusto nitong taong ito. Pero nasa sayo kasi eh. Parang ganun. Yeah, decision mo. Like you need to decide on something. The Four of Clover. Oh, Four of Clover, yung lumabas na card mo kanina. And then Four of Clover is also here. Followed by the Nine of Spade. So, ngayon, pwedeng may problem pa sa ngayon. Pero gusto ka nitong taong to. I feel like kung ano yung pagkagusto mo sa kanya, yun din yung pagkagusto na nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Very balanced actually. Kaya lang, diba, may problem with the Nine of Spade. Tell me more. Yeah, the King of Clover is here. So, ito yung tipo ng tao na pag kailangan mong mag-move on or kailangan mong, kailangan mo ng someone na tutulong sa'yo, nandiyan siya, King of Clover, to help you. What will happen in the near future for you, Virgo? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Virgo. Okay. Actually, ano ngayon? January. Nasa February na agad ako. January 21, nagkakaroon ng conjunction itong si Sun at saka si Pluto ngayon. So, yung iba sa inyo, a lot of transformation, a lot of ending, ang pwedeng maisipan mo ngayon or ang like, yeah, I can see a lot of ending na pwedeng naiisipan ng bawat isa sa inyo. Or transformation. What's with the Seven of Spades? Why is the Seven of Spades here? Ten of Hearts. Okay. The Three of Spades, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Some of you, there's another connection or another person na involved dito sa connection na ito. Five of Hearts, you're no longer happy dito sa connection na ito. Hindi ka na masaya. Like with the Seven of Spades, or yung iba sa inyo sa side yun ng person mo. But whoever this other person na nagiging involved, hindi ka na masaya doon. The Ten of Hearts is here. Like, in the future, mas nade-develop yung emotions mo towards this person. The more na hindi ka nagiging masaya dun sa other connection, if that is nasa side mo, the more na hindi mo nagugustuhan yung connection na yun, the more na na-in love or na-fall ka dun sa person na ito. And the Two of Clover is here, so, a lot of passion. Nakikita natin dyan, may mga plano in the near future for the side of your person. The Eight of Clover, King of Spade, medyo marami to. Five of Spade, Ace of Spade, and the Jack of Hearts. Yeah, yung iba sa inyo, this could be a new person or a new person is about to come to your life with the Five of Spade energy. Si Five of Spade, it's like nakikita ko yung energy ng Black Moon Lilith dito. It's like a rebellious energy. Like parang ito yung taong tutulungan ka or makakaisip ka ng mga bagay na parang hindi mo naiisipan noon or hindi, parang feeling mo hindi mo kayang gawin noon. But then this person will trigger all those stuff. Yung parang matitrigger nitong taong ito na magustuhan mo rin yung mga bagay na yan. You know what I mean? Like with the Eight of Diamonds, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, pwedeng this is a person who is very workaholic or maraming pinagkakaabalahan pagdating sa pera or focus lang siya sa career or trabaho. But this person is already thinking etong new beginning sa inyong dalawa. Parang hindi mo kailangan mag-worry. Kasi itong taong to, pwedeng may plano siya or may nasa isip siya na parang ikaw puno-puno ka kasi na pag-aalala eh. Pero itong taong to, isusugal niya lahat. Parang hindi mo kailangan mag-alala. Akong bahala sa'yo. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.